Amazfit Ares rugged smartwatch with 70 sport modes launched in China. Xiaomi-backed Huami had been teasing the launch of its newest smartwatch, Amazfit Ares, for about a couple of weeks now. Well, if you are looking to pick up an affordable yet rugged smartwatch, then your wait is finally over. Amazfit Ares has gone official in China today with 70 sport modes, heart rate monitoring, 14-day battery life, and a lot more. Amazfit Ares, specs and features. Starting off with the design, Amazfit Ares takes a completely different direction from the company's existing Amazfit T-Rex rugged smartwatch. It has a more boxy, square-ish design with a tiny 1.28-inch color screen in the middle and silicone straps to help you fasten the watch. You will find 3 buttons on the edges, enabling you to control, go back, up, and down, the watch. There are 8 watch faces that come pre-installed with the Amazfit Ares. The highlight of the Amazfit Ares, as mentioned above, is that it supports 70 sports modes. It includes everything from walking, running, and cycling to skiing, hiking, swimming, and a lot more. The watch connects over Bluetooth 4.2 BLE. It includes a self-developed PPG bio-tracking optical sensor for 24-hour continuous heart rate and sleep monitoring. Amazfit Ares is water-resistant up to 5 atm, 50 meters. This means you don't have to worry about removing the watch at the beach or while taking a swim. The company bakes a dual positioning system, GPS plus GLONASS, to accurately track all the sports sessions. A built-in barometer also records the elevation to produce detailed exercise reports. Though the company has not shared the exact battery details for the Amazfit Ares, it claims to offer up to 14 days of battery life. This includes continuous heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, and minimal use of GPS. If you keep GPS running at all times, then the battery life will take a major hit. It will fall down to just 23 odd hours on a single charge. This means you'll have to charge it every night before going to bed, which can be a hassle. It takes about 2 hours to fully juice up the smartwatch via the magnetic charging stand you get in the box. Price and availability. Amazfit Ares has been priced at 499 yuan, around Rs. 5,300 or $70 in China. The smartwatch is available in 2 colorways, black and army green. It is now up for pre-order and will officially go on sale from the 1st of June. There's currently no word on whether the Amazfit Ares will make its way to India or not. So, stay tuned for more information.